Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Didi's Discover Science. Okay, our goblin is back, and the goblin is very naughty. He likes to play tricks on people. So he has an idea. He wants to erupt the volcano in the town to scare the people. Bad goblin. But, it's an interesting idea, right? How do volcanoes erupt? Let's test it out in Let's Do It. Discover Science. Today's materials: a volcanic model, pigment soda, citric acid, and water. All right, everyone. The goblin had a very interesting idea, and I think we should try it too. So look at our materials. This looks like yummy chocolate. No, just kidding. This is supposed to be a volcano, okay? So inside there's a little hole for you to put the ingredients inside. Also, if you're doing this at school or at home, maybe put some newspaper or put it in a tray because this can get messy, okay? Let's see what else we have. Here. See the colored, the slightly pinkish powder? This is pigment soda. And the one that looks very white, this is citric acid. Here we have some plain water. So I'm going to bring this close, and I'm going to put the citric acid inside our volcano first, okay? Don't use all the powder yet because it can overflow, just a little bit at a time. Okay, first I'm going to put in some of our pigment soda. Okay, a little bit more. Good enough. All right, and then I'm going to put in some of our citric acid. Okay, can you see inside? All right, here we go. Water. What do you suppose will happen when I add the water? Ready? Set? Help! Help! The volcano is erupting! What to do? Can you hear the sound? Check it. All right, let's start over. Try to put just water into the volcano and see what happens. Also try the pigment soda and see what happens. Water and pigment soda. And then try it with the citric acid and see what happens each time and what the difference is. Also, in Think Why, let's think about the process of how a volcano erupts. Why does a volcano erupt? Have you seen pictures or in movies of a volcano and exploding, right? Well, inside a volcano, there is hot magma. And this hot magma slowly moves inside the earth, and when it can't contain itself any longer, it erupts and flows through the volcano. And so on the earth, there are several volcanoes that are still alive and can explode at any time. Also, do you know of a special island in Korea that is made of volcanic magma? There's more than 3,000 islands in Korea, but one of them is made from a volcano, 100%. Do you know what it is? Oh, yes, that's right. Jeju Island is made from volcanic magma. Wow! Anyways, great job today.